how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you a yummy carrot onion uttapam. Every day eating breakfast like dosa or idli can be quite boring, so try something new like this uttapam, which will wow your senses. Do try it and let me know how it worked for you. So, did you get a chance to check out other breakfast recipes available on my channel? If not, please do. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now, let's go and check this yummy recipe out and do try it quickly and leave me a comment. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make carrot onion uttapam. Curry leaves, I'm taking 3 sprigs, few chilies. If you want, reduce it. And 1 carrot because it's pretty big, little bit of onion, you can see how small it is, salt to taste, jeera or cumin seeds and mustard seeds, and the final ingredient is leftover dosa batter. I have around 2 to 2.5 cups of batter. So let's make our uttapam. First we need to grate the carrot, cut everything small, and then I'll show you how to make it. Pan is heating up. Let's add oil, but not too much oil. You don't need too much oil. I'm just adding 1 big tablespoon of oil. So let's make this carrot onion uttapam. Oil is hot, so we are going to add little bit of jeera, half teaspoon, little bit of mustard seeds, this much. After they splatter, we'll add our onions. They are splattering. Little bit more mustard seeds. Now we are going to add our onions, chilies and curry leaves. Let it cook for a little bit. We are not going to brown it up, but definitely let it cook for a few minutes before adding our carrot. It's almost at a stage where it's going to brown up. So we are going to grate a small piece of ginger and add to this. It will give nice taste to the uttapam. Mix it once. And now we are going to add our turmeric powder. Little bit, not too much, for the nice color. And now goes in our carrot. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to cook this carrot. We are going to add little bit of salt, enough for the carrot. Keep the lid on and let it do its magic. Reduce the heat and let it cook for a few minutes and it will be ready. This has been cooking for past 2 or 3 minutes. It looks ready and perfect. So we are going to off the stove and let it cool down a little bit before adding it to the dosa batter. So we'll make the dosa batter in few minutes. So let's mix our dosa batter. To the dosa batter, we are going to add our carrot onion mixture. Sorry for the shaking camera. we are going to add little bit water to it. We don't want too much runny batter, so add water carefully. To this we are going to add little bit salt for the dosa batter. Not too much but little bit. And we are going to add pinch of sugar for the beautiful color on the uttapam. Now we are ready to mix our batter. Mix everything so that it's thoroughly mixed and our uttapam batter will be ready. This is it, guys. Our uttapam batter is ready. Now I'll show you how to make the uttapam. Look at that beautiful color. Let's make the uttapam. So I cut half an onion, few chilies, corianders and little bit tomato paste and made a mixture out of it. Now we are going to make an uttapam with all of this sprinkled. It's going to taste super tasty. Do try it. So let's make our uttapam. Pan is super hot. So wipe your counter or griddle nicely. And we are going to put 1 whole teaspoon of oil in the middle. Little bit more. And now we are going to add our veggies to it. Little bit more. And fry for a minute. And now we are going to divide these veggies into smaller portions so that we can make our uttapam. I like to make like small mini uttapams, but if you like one big ones then directly put on it. But I am going to put 3 mini uttapams with this. Press slightly so that it's all flat. And now we are ready to put on our uttapam. Mix the batter once and just put on top of this. And spread. You can't spread it, just with spatula do little bit of this and it should be ready. One more spoon for my third. Now we are going to sprinkle oil around it so that it will cook perfect. And let it cook until you know for sure that it's not going to fall apart when you are turning it. You will know. Look at these uttapams beautifully frying, and now we are going to run our spatula underneath to make sure they are ready. Just little bit run your spatula around so that they won't break. Yeah. See, it's moving but not completely there yet. This is ready. I can see that. This is not yet. It needs 1 or 2 minutes and they will be completely ready to be turned. They are ready. As you can see from the edges, they are brown. Slowly. Look at that color, guys. Look at that beautiful uttapam. Turn. Wow. Look at that color. And one more. Be careful. Look at that color. Press a little bit so that everything is cooked in. It needs 1 or 2 minutes on the other side. You don't want to hurry up. It will take a little bit of time, but it will taste so good. Do try it and it will We'll serve it with peanut chutney when we are done. Turn it to see if they are done. They are perfectly done. Look at those beautiful uttapams. They are perfect and ready to be served. So let's serve them. I'm serving them with peanut chutney. Yummy and delicious. This is it for this video, guys. Do try them and let me know how you or your family liked it. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.